Welcome back to Ezy-Speech episode 11. Today we're going to talk about the Ezy-Speech program, finally. So in particular we're going to talk about DVD 1. It's a 2 DVD pack. And we'll just go through each segment and just mention what's in DVD 1. After the initial welcome, we have a relaxation program that's been put together by a yoga exponent from the Gold Coast. Her name is Elaine Croft, and she takes you through a full body relaxation, and it lasts for about 10 to 15 minutes. When you're first developing technique, you need to be as relaxed as possible. And ongoing, when you're using technique in real life situations, it works best when you're using good diaphragmatic breathing and you're very, very relaxed. Nextly, we're talking about breathing and vocalization. We've touched on many of these issues in prior episodes, but the DVD will take you through in more detail in terms of diaphragmatic breathing and the pause, and how it all comes together as we really do rebuild your speech pattern from the ground up. We'll then move to the physical cause of stuttering, and there'll be some discussion on the current beliefs as to the physical cause of stuttering.
We then go even further into diaphragmatic breathing. It's just so important, and you actually do exercises along with some actual clients who are learning the technique with you. So we have 2 clients on the video. They are learning the technique, they are doing the exercises, and you actually get to join in and do the exercises with them. And once we've really worked on that, getting that breathing right, then we get into some speech sound work. And the speech sound work can be a little tricky. There's quite a bit of detail involved in making sure that you use your speech sounds and say your speech sounds effectively so that stutters don't occur. So you put that together with your breathing. And again, we have 2 lovely people learning it along with you, and you get to actually do the exercises with them. The next part of the program that we step you through is about controlling your rate. Being able to practice really good technique at very, very slow speeds so that you're able, in a very controlled way, to increase your speed back to a natural rate. But that at any one time, you can actually be in control of the speed at which you talk. Because do you know for a fact that in a group of people talking, the most dominant person's speech rate is the speech rate that everybody else in the group will use. So if you're not conscious of that and you're speaking with other people and they're really fast talkers and they talk really quickly, what will happen is that you will naturally gravitate to their speed. And if you've got the tendency to have a stutter here or there, that's not going to help you at all. You must be able to control your own speech rate and know off the top of your head, oh, I think I'm doing about 100 syllables a minute. Or I think I must be up to about 180 now, I'd better take it back to 150. You need to have that level of understanding and control.
And the slower speech rates that you'll be working on, 50 SPM or syllables per minute and 100 SPM, they're crucial to make sure you get the technique down pat. It may sound a little unnatural at first, but you must realise that we're rebuilding your speech from the ground up. And that practice at these rates is crucial so that when you become more confident, you can increase your rates but still have that structured yin-yang breathing technique that will ensure that your speech and fluency management is top-notch.
So we even have some handy little features on the video where along the screen you can actually see the speech rate being monitored, and you can actually see where to place your syllables to be able to do those speech rates. So it's a handy little tool have access to.
We're very proud of the whole thing actually.
So that's just a little bit about the program. If you stick with us on Ezy-Speech TV, you're going to get all kinds of little snippets from the program that will help you out in day-to-day life. See you next week.
Definitely.